Hey STEM families, it's Jessica again, your tour guide for this awesome scientific investigation called the Potion Lab. In this investigation, your young ones will be really learning about what happens when you combine or mix different solids and liquids together to see if there's a change in the matter. So we know that there's three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. So in this specific investigation, to explore those principles, I literally just grabbed whatever I had in my pantry and I brought it out. So what you see are some things that I have here, but you don't have to use these, because the great thing about this investigation is to let your child explore anything they want. Now, I do want to mention this though. For some ingredients or materials that you use, I do have some vinegar here. So depending on the specific type of material that you have, this is going to require adult supervision. So if you want to go crazy too and have on goggles and smocks, this time I'm doing it in my specific kitchen sink. But if it's a nice day, go outside, get messy out there. You could also do this in the bathtub, but be careful about what makes up your bathtub for it. So what I have here is simply aluminum pan, a couple different size Tupperware containers. I have a small strainer, some spoons, an eyedropper. I got a couple measuring cups, and then I have simply just things I found in my pantry: baking soda, baking powder, cornstarch, vinegar. I do have some dish soap, but if you have other things lying around, go for it. The one thing I wish I did have for this is food coloring, because another part of this investigation is to allow your child or your children to see what happens when they mix different colors together. Makes it just a little bit more fun too. So to show you what we're gonna do, I'm gonna take my aluminum pan, and let's say I wanna take maybe my measuring cup, get some water in it. Maybe I wanna put it inside of my aluminum pan, fill it up, and because maybe I want a little bit of color for this one, I'm gonna take some dish soap. I'm gonna squirt a little bit in. Then why not? Let's do a little baking soda. Put a little baking soda in. So I'm going from a solid, which is the powder, into my liquids. Stir it up. And the best thing about this investigation is making those observations. As part of this scientific inquiry process, we want to observe what happens when you mix different ingredients together. So I'm going to leave that there. And maybe next I'm going to grab some vinegar. Pour a little bit in and wait. Oh, look at that one. So there was a reaction to this one. When I poured the vinegar inside, it foamed at the top. So what I would ask, my child or, one of my friends, if they were doing this, what do you observe? Do you hear anything? Oh, I heard a little bit of fizzing there. Again, I could take other things, take a little bit of water, maybe grab some cornstarch, using my spoon, pour a little bit in. And if you really want to have some fun, get your hands in there. Oh, this one's cool. So when I put the cornstarch and the water together, the solid mixed with the liquid, when I pick it up, it's a solid, and then as I start to move it in my hands, it becomes a liquid again. So again, with this investigation, there really are no steps in the sequence. It's all about you having some fun with your ingredients, talk about your observations, have fun, but make sure you check out the links to download, the resources to take a look at as you continue your investigation. Have fun, everyone. I'm gonna keep playing.